Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia G11, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the toggle, which for me is located right over here. Once you find it, tap on it. It brings up a window right here with a little notification on what will happen. So turn on battery saver. Battery saver will restrict power consumption activities, background apps, activities, visual effects, gestures, touch sounds, vibrations, and etc. Automatically to power save or save power. Geez. Now, this was a little bit more informative than you usually get. Usually it just says restricts visual effects and some background activity. So here it actually does fairly okay job of explaining how it works. So obviously background apps will be kind of closed off. Visual effects like high refresh rates and animations and stuff like that will be kind of reduced. Touch sounds, so just kind of mutes the device so it doesn't need to use the speakers. Vibrations, again, so it doesn't need to use the vibrating motor too. That will also preserve battery. And probably one of the most important things, which actually isn't listed here, but damn, it should be, is the Wi-Fi and mobile data restrictions. So when the device is going to sleep mode, once you enable your power saving mode, so once it's in sleep mode, which this is a sleep mode, it will turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data to preserve battery. Now, because of that, when you're not using your device and someone writes to you through like Messenger, Facebook, WhatsApp, or so on, you will not get a notification that someone wrote to you because the device did not actually receive that message because it does not have internet at this moment. Now, when you wake up the device again, it will automatically reconnect and sync up that missing message. But like I said, you do need to interact with the device to actually get it, which is a fairly important information that should be kind of explained right here. So that's one thing. Now, going back to the actual toggle itself and power saving mode, once you're done with it, you can turn it off by tapping on the toggle once again, as I just did. And last info is if you want to kind of like skip the downsides of power saving mode but still get some additional battery life, then you can change the brightness on its own. So if you're maxing out your brightness, changing it halfway will give you a couple hours of extra battery life, which is roughly similar also to what power saving mode will give you, but without the actual downsides of power saving mode. Now, I do understand that this option might not be viable for everybody. People that are using their phone outdoors, if you change the brightness even to like halfway on this phone, in direct sunlight, you won't be able to see the display at all. So I do understand that that's not an option, but for everybody who's using it indoors and has that option, it's a decent way to extend your battery life. So anyway, this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.